Wiper jumping on the windshield is a common problem that affects clear visibility. It usually happens due to worn-out blades, dirt buildup, or uneven pressure on the glass. Luckily, here are some simple and easy ways to fix wiper jumping on windshield. Dust, dirt, or oil buildup can make wipers skip across the glass. Use a glass cleaner, or a mix of vinegar and water to clean the windshield thoroughly. Wipe it dry with a microfiber cloth for a smooth surface. This simple cleaning step can instantly improve wiper movement and visibility. Sometimes, the problem lies in dirty blades. Lift the wipers and gently wipe the rubber edge using a soft cloth soaked with WD-40. This helps remove dirt, pollen, and wax that cause uneven movement. Cleaning the blades regularly helps them glide smoothly and last longer. If your wiper blades are old or cracked, they won't make even contact with the windshield. Replace them every 6 to 12 months for best performance. New blades glide smoothly and reduce jumping. Fresh blades also prevent streaks and ensure clear vision during rain. Loose or incorrectly fitted blades can cause uneven pressure and skipping. Check the mounting clips and ensure they are tightly secured in place. A firm fit helps the blades move evenly without chatter or noise. If your windshield has wax residue, scratches, or uneven spots, wipers may jump. Use a clay bar to remove contaminants and make the surface smoother. A smooth glass surface allows wipers to move quietly and efficiently. Using blades that are too long or too short for your car can cause uneven pressure. Always check your car manual or online guide for the correct wiper size. Correct size blades ensure proper coverage and smoother wiping action. Over time, the nuts that hold the wiper arms tight to the windshield may become loose. Tighten them to restore even pressure and smoother wiping. Strong springs also help maintain steady contact and reduce skipping. Plain water is not enough to clean your windshield properly. Use a good quality windshield washer fluid that removes dirt and oil, helping the wipers move freely. Washer fluid also prevents buildup and protects the wiper rubber from drying out. In cold weather, ice can make wipers stiff or uneven. Always clear ice and snow from the windshield and wiper blades before using them. This prevents damage to the rubber and avoids skipping during winter drives. A clear windshield means safer driving and better visibility in all weather conditions. Keep these simple steps in mind, and you will enjoy a quiet, streak-free ride every time.